I'm going on the suicide spin on this curve pole. This weird ending. Okay. Go. And wee.
Oh great. You're crazy, by the way.
If I spin right now, will I get the more? The legs. Move your legs. Okay, enough. Enough of that.
Now the guy's gonna try to stand up. He will try his best. Let's hope he will succeed. Dennis, you're mean. Oh, poor guy. Come on, Vlad, you can stand up. We know you can. Yes! The guy's doing it. Woohoo! Is that done?
Thank you.